In this video, you'll learn about journals and how to tell if the library has access to specific journals. Journals are part of a group of materials called periodicals, which also includes magazines and newspapers. Journals are intended for a scholarly audience, so the word journal usually refers to a scholarly, peer-reviewed, or refereed publication. Here's how to see if the library has a specific journal. Start at Library Search on the library's webpage. Click on the Advanced Search link, then click on the Library Links button at the upper right and select Browse Journal Titles from the drop-down list. If you only see one button at the upper right, click it and select Browse Journal Titles from the drop-down list. Type the name of the journal, not the article title, into the search box marked Title. Then hit the Enter key or click the Search button. Your results will show how many databases contain full-text content from the journal. The right-hand panel shows links to those databases. If you find a reference to something that you think might be a journal, here's how to tell. Journal citations contain two titles, one for the article, followed by one for the journal. Some formats place quotes around the article's title, others don't, but the journal's title is usually in italics. The citation will also include the article's publication date and pages, and usually volume and issue numbers. If the article was published online, it will have a DOI, or Digital Object Identifier. Publishers and places of publication aren't listed in journal citations. Scientific and medical journals often use strangely abbreviated titles. Here's how to decipher them. In this citation from a medical journal, the title is abbreviated as Your J. Pharmacol. To find out what this stands for, search the National Library of Medicine's list of journals at the URL shown in the video. Type in the abbreviated journal title, and it's automatically converted to the full title of the journal, European Journal of Pharmacology. Click the Search button to see more information about the journal. Here's how to open full-text articles in Library Search and the library's databases. In Library Search, you'll see a View Full Text button. If you don't see one of these buttons, ask at the Library Services desk about getting the article through interlibrary loan. This is true even if it says that the item is held by Elmira College. Full-text article links will look different in different databases. They may say full text, HTML full text, or PDF full text under or next to the information about the article. Just click on the type that you prefer. If you have questions about journals or need help finding them, just ask a library staff member.